Alright guys, got some more parts in from LMR. We got battery positive cable and battery negative cable, 87 through 93. We got the starter cable, and we got the bracket for the AOD automatic dual exhaust hanger. Hangs right off of the cross member. We got the speedometer cable for Aiden's car, 79 through 95 speedometer cable with speed sensor. Right there. Comes with the new pigtail for adapting it, variable speed sensor wire harness connector. The little bolt that holds it in, and the actual sensor itself. And what else did we get? I know we got something else here. What else did we get? Oh, all the stuff in here. Let me show you the cables real quick, because they're pretty cool. They look very similar to the originals, but they are made in China. Thanks, China. If it wasn't for China helping us out, I don't know where we'd be with our restorations. So there's the positive. Probably gonna give me cancer just touching it. And all right, here is the negative with the bolt and the nut. Comes with it. Might as well put that in there now so it don't get lost. But yeah, that's that. See if I can't scatter this stuff all over the place, but here's some of the stuff that's waiting to go on. There's the car. There's not really much to show you, I guess, to be honest with you. Alright, so got the starter bolt all ready, and just to show you, I just go right through that motor mount right there. A little bit, no wobbly head or nothing, just a wobbly extension on this side going into that one, but 13 on the end of it. Could be a 14 for yours. Get it lined up. Let's see if I can show you guys. Get it lined up right there, straight through. Not a good angle there. There we go. Come back here, boom. I use this electric ratchet, so it's a lot easier. There we go. Okay, so starter cable, this side right here, it's gonna go up towards the battery, and then one bracket is gonna mount right off of this hole. The other bracket is that one over there where the bolt's at already. And put that up out of my way. And then the cable's gonna run right through here under the in between the pan. So basically, I guess the trick is snake that through first, and then take your bracket and go up here with that, like so. You get that lined up, and then put your bolt in. Don't want to screw in now. Alright, and then take this one and guide in. Alright, so this bolt was left in here, so that is pretty damn helpful. Just gotta unscrew it here. What are you doing? Huh? You come to get cozy? They got new neighbors, and they got dirt bikes. Isn't that cool? I bet she doesn't like it, but I love it. Let's see if I can get this other one on here. I can't tell how old the person is that's riding the dirt bike, but they look like they're probably maybe 14 or something, so I don't know, maybe Mason could ride a dirt bike with them. He's 10, but still. Are you telling me this bracket, the hole in this bracket isn't the right size? It's a neck buster there. I think I'm gonna have to drill this out because the bolt doesn't want to fit through the brackets. Alright, let me get a drill bit. Alright, so you can see it doesn't, maybe you can see it doesn't want to fit through the hole, so I'm going to have to drill it out a little bit. The drill bit. Now let's see if I can do this without messing anything up, especially myself. I don't have a chuck for this thing. What? Coming to tell me about the dirt bike? You don't like it? It's making you mad? Alright, we'll go inside in a minute. I'm gonna take a break. Alright, well, got that drilled. Now let's see if we can get it mounted. Alright, and then route that up there towards where it's supposed to be. Let's see how this fits over to the starter. It's going again. Alright, so got the here. The wire ran back here to the starter. Routed right there onto these where I can zip tie them, and then I'll move that over and kind of form it to the front. Oh, it's trying to fall back down. Don't need that coming down and scratching everything up, so we'll mount that before I adjust the cable any further. Dang, it just wants to stay scratching the side of my pan. I'll just let it hang for now then. There we go. He don't like it. He hates it when our boys do it too. He's just a hater. Alright, so starter wire. Take that off real quick. Mounts up here. See where the old one was. Now, I don't know if this starter relay is good or not, but that's what I got for now, so that's what I'm going to mount everything to until I find out it doesn't work. Hopefully it does. There's the Old one there, don't need that anymore. There's the starter wire. Let's see if I can get this harness. Oh no, sound like a doorbell. Get that guy to come up here and there we go. Alright, so got the wire there running down. Got the bracket right there. Mounted up. Running across the front of the oil pan. Down the side. With that bracket mounted up right there. And I get all the way over here. And I go to mount the damn cable. And wouldn't you know it, the hole's too small. So, let's see if I can get the camera in there. The end of the cable, the hole is too small, so I gotta drill that out too. Just held it in with the needle nose. Alright, there we go. So now I just gotta put the nut on there, and we're good to go.